Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and I want to talk to you guys about something that I've been bringing up to my viewers on this channel for quite a while, BRC20 tokens. And today I want to take you through some of the top coins that I'm looking at in this ecosystem, a little bit about why, but kind of the journey that I've gone through. And just to note at the beginning of this video, if you guys are new to BRC20 tokens or you want to learn more about them, then I do believe that you are in the right place to get your bearings and understand this ecosystem, to understand where you can at least start and kind of the evolution of how I dove into this and then where we're going from here. And this kind of leads into some of the big picks that I'm choosing right now. Are there 100x opportunities in this ecosystem? I think so, with 100% certainty. There will be 100x plays in the BRC20 ecosystem. Now, are these tokens I'm going to talk about today some of those? Well, do your own research, guys, but follow me here and you might get a little bit of an understanding into some of these tokens that I'm looking at and if these, in fact, do have that potential. Let's get into it, guys. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Now, it all started with Unisat. Unisat is it's a marketplace where you can go ahead and inscribe some new projects here that are inscriptions built on Bitcoin. What are inscriptions, guys? This is code locked into the blocks of Bitcoin forever. Kind of like carving your name in a tree, inscribed on Bitcoin forever. Now, this is something that Elon Musk has actually come out and noted about himself. Elon Musk is a very popular, very controversial figure to some, but very, very popular, and he's a big crypto fan, and recently stated that NFTs don't make that much sense to him because they're just JPEGs, with a code, right? It's a contract address on a blockchain, right? And it's just kind of a JPEG. But now inscriptions, these are actually permanent inscriptions. You can create NFTs by these inscriptions on the blockchain. It's a step in the right direction. So these have increasingly gotten more popular. There's NFTs, and now there's also these inscriptions, which are tokens. One that I'm looking at right now is actually this .com token, which I'm going to look at in a little bit with you guys. But it all started here. And actually, I came in here and I inscribed some of these tokens. Actually, I bought some of these things as they were launching, before they were deployed. Then when they were deployed, a lot of these things did have 50, 100x opportunities. These tokens are some that are already deployed. There's some that are still in progress. If you can kind of go back to this page, you'll see some that are still in progress that you can still be a part of deploying. Essentially, being a part of the ICO before it launches is the best comparison I have for you on that. Now, this is very confusing, and you can connect your wallet here. There's a variety of wallets. It used to just be the Unisat wallet. Now they launched the Xverse wallet, Leather wallet, OKX, one of the major exchanges, has their own wallet that's very much integrated in the BRC20 community, especially with this B20 token that I'm going to talk to you guys about here in a second. But it started with this. Then I noticed, okay, we can use the Ordinals wallet as well. Here's some of the Ordinals tokens here's some of the tokens that I have. This is linked up with my Unisat wallet. And so these are the tokens that I actually minted on Unisat before these things launched. And Sats is one of my best performers. Sats is essentially a meme token, which stands for Satoshis. It is a meme. The smallest unit of measure of Bitcoin is Satoshis. This is just a meme, guys. A meme about Satoshis, which is one of the biggest BRC20 tokens out there. Ordinals is certainly one of the largest tokens out there as well in BRC20. Ordinals market cap is smaller than Sats market cap, which is very, very interesting. And so this is kind of my development. It started off with, okay, first of all, there are Bitcoin Ordinals, and here are the NFTs that you can get. And you can buy NFTs on Bitcoin. Again, these are inscriptions, images, JPEGs with inscriptions associated with them on Bitcoin, okay? This is a branch off the NFT craze, but now NFTs on Bitcoin. Started with that, and then I was looking at the tokens. I went to Unisat. And then I started to realize, okay, the Unisat wallet, you can start to do the same thing with the tokens here on Ordinals, and you can buy tokens here on Ordinals as well, BRC20 tokens. So very, very interesting. I kind of dove into that. And then I learned, okay, these are a little bit confusing, kind of complicated. In order to get access to either of these, you need to start your own essentially DeFi wallet. Here you can see some of my DeFi wallets and set up your own wallets. Leather wallet's the one that I use. You can even tag in your MetaMask to some of these platforms. Unisat wallet's a very popular one. Xverse is a popular one. But then I found the first decentralized exchange built on Bitcoin. And this is where I came across the ALEX token, which is one that I like a lot. I'm very bullish on the ALEX token, which is actually an SRC20 token. It is on the STX chain, okay? So we're going to get a little bit into that in a little bit. SRC20 tokens and STX, which is a layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. This is getting a little bit deep, guys. So this is kind of the journey that I've gone through. It really started, okay, I heard about Ordinals. I heard about these NFTs and things being built on Bitcoin. And then I was like, oh, there's tokens being built on Bitcoin. Let me go here to Unisat to buy them. Oh, wait, it's a little bit easier if I actually buy them on this ALEX platform. And you can see some of these BRC20 tokens on this ALEX platform. Again, these are SRC20 tokens, STX, XBTC. ALEX is an SRC20 token. There's a bridge which within this DEX as well. This is one of the most popular projects on Bitcoin right now. ALEX, which is built on STX. STX is a layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. I hope I'm putting some of these puzzle pieces together for you. You can actually see I myself have about $14,000 in the ALEX platform, actually within my Leather wallet currently. Within this portfolio on ALEX. I do have some other ones as well. You can see here within the BRC20 here, you can see my wallet right here. You can see some of these tokens as well. These are actually within my Unisat wallet, which is connected to my Ordinals wallet. But then I learned a little bit about yet another project. And as you can see, guys, this is all not very user-friendly. This is the newest of the new in Bitcoin, in crypto, and these are very low market cap coins. So then I stumbled across something new, and this is BRC20.com, which is a token.com token. Now, what you're looking at now is the dashboard.brc20.com, where you can see all the top tokens in the BRC20 ecosystem. Notice that the ALEX token, that STX token is not in this because, again, those are SRC20 tokens. SRC20 tokens, guys, which are a whole different category. Okay? And but you can see some of the top BRC20 tokens in here. Some that I am most bullish on are SATs. It's the #1 meme token on BRC20 network. Ordinal should probably arguably have a higher market cap than SATs, so it's got a lot more upside in my opinion. TRAC, which is one that, if you do a little bit of research, guys, is one of the more popular tokens that actually has some use case in this ecosystem. You're also going to find that a lot of these tokens within this ecosystem are scams. There's a lot of scams in here, guys. There's a lot of meme tokens, which are worthless. So be very careful of that, guys. But ones that I'm looking at right now, SATs, which is a meme I think it's a meme that's going to stand the test of time for Bitcoin. Ordinals, one of the biggest projects, I think arguably will be the #1 project in the BRC20 ecosystem in the future. TRAC, I think, is going to be a top one. I see a lot of hype around that. A lot of people are hyped about TERT as well. .com, which again is associated with this, which I'm going to get to here in a second. And then also, Ghosty seems to be pretty popular. Now, I don't have a position in TERT or Ghosty. I might get positions in those tokens. I still have to do more research on those. But .com is certainly one that I'm interested in. I've already got a good position in TRAC right now, about $1,400. I certainly got a lot of SATs and ORDI as well. And so I'm going to continue to watch those grow. But what I want you guys to know is BRC20 is definitely on a lot of people's radar. There's even a category for it on CoinGecko. Note that SATs isn't even listed on CoinGecko yet. ORDI is, TRAC is. A lot of these other tokens are not. .com is not yet. The ALEX B20 token is, which is very interesting. So we're going to see a lot of this kind of developing over the next month, over the next year, as the Bitcoin bull market gears up. But what I want you guys to know is SRC20 tokens. I talked about this with you. Now, when you go to categories on CoinGecko and you sort them by name, look for SRC20 tokens, and you know what? You're not going to find them. It's a new category and a new frontier that I'm going to be looking into. Very, very interested in this because, again, I think it's kind of the first frontier for tokens on STX, the SRC20 protocol. And, it's interesting to see, too, that they don't have ALEX token on here, that they don't have STX on here. They have Kevin, they have Stamp, so it's going to be very interesting. They don't have a category on CoinMarketCap, on CoinGecko for this yet. This is one of the only platforms you can really look at. There's like one other out there, but openstamp.io, where you can actually go and trade these and buy some of these things. One of the most popular ones is Kevin. It was one of the first to mint on here. And so this is just a taste of some of the journey that I've gone through for some of these ecosystems. Now, I am very, very bullish on BRC20 tokens, guys, because when you look at this and you go back to categories here on CoinMarketCap, on CoinGecko actually, and you look at how much money's in this, you'll see it says 2 billion in this ecosystem. When you look here, it says 4 billion. So there's anywhere from $2 to $4 billion in this ecosystem. But what I want you guys to know is that within the ERC20 ecosystem, the ERC20 token market cap is right around 100 billion, 150, maybe even $200 billion is invested in ERC20 tokens. So what you can see is there is likely a 50, 100, 200x potential gain in likely a lot of these tokens. Now, Ordinals and Sats already has a billion-dollar market cap, so maybe those tokens have a little less upside, but certainly upside is still there for those coins. I'm going to continue to dive into this ecosystem, learn more about these. I hope that I gave you guys a little bit of an opportunity to learn about how, first of all, how new is this? It's new for me. I'm still learning. You've seen my journey from Unisat, well, from learning about Bitcoin ordinals and NFTs on Bitcoin, then learning what an inscription is, and then learning about the Unisat wallet and actually minting some of these inscriptions myself, and then going over and learning how to trade them on the Alex Labs DEX, which is a DEX built on Stacks, the layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. And now we're learning about new solutions coming out. One in particular being this BRC20 token, which let's look at this token real quick. This is one that I'm going to buy about $1,000 worth of today. It's got a $74 million market cap. And I'm not sponsored by any of these guys. We don't do that really on this channel. We had one token that we shouted out one time where we got an early launch, but we're really not sponsored by anybody. I just tell you guys about the things that the moves that I'm making. And if I got early access to something, I told you guys about that. It's the Inspect token. We talked about that. I actually tweeted out from the Crypto Report page earlier today. But we're really not doing any of that on this channel yet. It might come, but I'll keep you guys posted. This is just my research. Now, BRC20 is, again, there's a lot of infrastructure needed here. We're going to need a lot more user interface, a lot more user-friendly interfaces built. And I think that this could be a big one. You can kind of see their timeline coming out. They're actually going to launch the super app for this in Q1. So that could be pretty big. This token has not minted yet. Or actually, I believe this token actually has already minted. And so the only place you can go really buy it is these exchanges right here. And I'll actually go to this so you can see. You know what? You can't actually see down here, but HTX, BitGet, Uniswap, MEXC, BitGet, OKX, Unisats, Ordinals. So Unisat is the place that I'm going to go buy this token. I'm going to buy about $1,000 worth of it today, but it is going to bring more DeFi opportunities to Bitcoin. Alex is pretty good, but I'm going to continue to invest in some of these new cutting edge technologies and some of these new cutting edge projects in this ecosystem. People that make BRC20 trading and wallets easier are going to have a lot of success. This is a very low market cap relative to some of these other market caps for some of these other coins in the ecosystem. A very low market cap compared to the ERC20 overall market cap and some of the tokens in the ERC20 ecosystem. So again, I do think there's going to be 100x opportunities. Now, will this one be the one? I don't know, guys. I don't know for a fact. You got to do your own research, but I'm going to keep you guys posted with the plays that I'm making in this space. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I am not an expert on this stuff, but I am learning. And if you want to learn in this journey with us here at the Crypto Report, follow us on this channel for more crypto content. That's all I got for you in this one, guys. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Don't forget, as always, I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.